Good morning, traders. This is your early morning briefing for the 13th of December. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. It's very early, but let's go through the markets. If you have the gold on steroids, I'll be doing an update and a coaching session for members, VIP members later on. So just to remind you what we're looking for: all red, sell; all green, buy. Very, very simple. So with the gold yesterday, I was out yesterday afternoon, but there was quite a significant fall from that 27.17 down to 26.80. So that was quite nice. If you have the software, congratulations, you should have been in there. Just wait for the bears to step in and have a look at this below here. This tells us how many sellers or how many buyers are in the market, and just gives us a measure of what's likely to happen in the next few hours. So when everything's in green, everything goes up and you make a lot of money, and when everything is red, everything goes down. Very straightforward indeed. If you want the software, the links are in description. And we're going to run through the markets really quickly this morning, just to give you the heads up. We are long US Swiss. You can see this here. Everything was green. Doesn't always stay green, but as long as you've got the green background, that is the key to your success. The other thing you're looking for on the 30-minute chart is a level 3 signal. A level 3 signal is the most powerful signal you can get in the Forex market. So Forex trading becomes much easier using AI software, which measures liquidity. And this is exactly what this does. And also the buyers come in here, and all the buyers have stepped in here as well. So that's a fantastic trade. Congratulations to VIP members if you are in it. Now, controlling it is very, very simple. I don't want to see the price break down in any shape or form. So we just move our initial stop, which was down here yesterday. We move our stop to the bottom, just below the green line. I don't want to see any ambiguity at all in the markets. I want to see the price continue up on that green line. If it shoots up, happy days. We may even have another buy signal coming with all the buyers in at some stage once London opens. So look out for that. The other one we are long on is the New Zealand Swiss. Don't worry, I'll be going through other pairs in a minute. This is only, it was a level 3. We got in a bit late on this one, I think. It was a level 3, and all the buyers were in, and it's still holding on, as you can see. So we're up a few pips, but not a lot. So we can still, even though the price has gone sideways, we can easily move our stop to a significant support level or just below it, just to allow the markets to hold on there. And we then go from a 2% risk to a very tiny risk in the markets. If you want to get funded, this is a fantastic way to trade. The other thing to remember is that I've already done the parabolic trends, green for buy on the right. You can see these flags, green for buy, red for sell. So you can just flick into any of those and see what's going on, and you know the direction before you even start. So the Euro Canadian, waiting for a buy on this. This is parabolic to the upside. I've just marked it in mauve just to remind me to cover this one for you. Now, breaker structure is really important. Forget that for the moment, but we can see that everything is green, and plus we have a parabolic trend to the upside on the higher time frames, on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour as well. So this is conducive to my analysis. So what you do is just take the previous high from overnight, and then you have a pending order, breaker structure to the upside, and just make sure you've got 2 to 1 once it happens. Now, I'm out and about usually in the mornings, so if that kicks in, then happy days. I'll be making money while I'm playing golf, which is a fantastic combination. Now, the yens are looking mixed now, so I will do the full analysis, but let me just flick through the yens now. Let me show you the yen futures before I do that. This is now no longer parabolic. It's broken out to the upside. As I mentioned a few days ago, there was a possibility of this, and looks like it wants to move up. It's not certainly ready yet. There's no volume in the market, of course, but this going up, yen futures going up, means that there's a possibility that the pound yen and others could move down in the next few hours. So what you're waiting for, you've got the bears stepping in, you have a red background, which is fantastic. There's no number, this is really important. So you want at least a number 2, but no number is appearing. In other words, there's no volatility in the market. And the number of buyers or sellers coming in is not significant enough for a trade. The other thing you can do, of course, is just draw the break line somewhere like that. Once that breaks down into this area, you can sell it. Something like this, and then get your 2 to 1. Let's just flick through the yens. Yeah, we can see that the yen futures is going up, so therefore these should go down in the next few hours. I won't show them all. Pound Swiss is interesting. We're looking for longs on the pound Swiss, but not ready yet. And it's very easy and very quick to do the analysis, and very quick and easy to see whether anything's ready. Euro Swiss is long. I'll show you the Swiss franc futures just quickly. We can see, oh, it's gone long. Okay, so the Swiss franc futures is mixed. That's interesting. Now let's have a look at some of the dollar pairs. US yen is going up, which is different. The yen futures are going down. So this is looks like it's initiating a, yeah, there we go. So it's a long dollar day by the look of it so far. But it's early days, so we just have to wait. So let's have a quick flick through here. US yen is going to go up today. US Canadian is going to go up today. US Swiss, we're happy with the US Swiss. That's going to continue up in the next few hours. There could, as I said earlier, there could be a fresh buy because we've minimised our risk anyway, almost to zero. So I'm happy with that. New Zealand USD is parabolic to the downside, as indicated by the red flag. Same as the Aussie USD. Don't trade both. And we can see that this is not ready for a sell yet. We need to see that the bears are stepping in like this, very clear to see, and the number of sellers coming in is correct as well. So wait for the volumes to kick in. Quick look at gold, see what's going on here. Waiting for a sell at the moment. If this breaks to the upside, then of course that's a different kettle of fish. Could be looking at longs. But also notice here the 50 line on this tool here has now fallen below the 50, or the 0 line as it's known, and just waiting for a sell to come in. So this will be live on YouTube for the rest of the morning while I'm out and about. So if you have a look at this, you can trade this at your leisure. Have a wonderful day.